Hi guys, welcome back to the Wealth Kofar channel. In this episode, we'll be talking about some of the books I have read and I recommend to you to read to help you get started on your financial freedom, generational wealth journey. Okay? One of the most fundamental things about money is financial literacy. So the more you learn about money and you apply these lessons, the more your money will grow. Because you will come to realize it's not just about having money, it's about keeping it, multiplying it, and storing it well. So, the one book I would say anybody who is interested in money and wanting to save, invest in a simplified manner is this book right here. It's called The Richest Man in Babylon by George S. Clason. I love this book because it is very simple. You can read it, reread it, read it again. Because right now I'm reading it, I think, for the third time. I love it. It has very simple, basic language. Although some of the language is like, thy, thus, those kinds of words, that kind of English. But otherwise, once you start reading this book, you will understand the simplest money principle, which is just starting by saving 10% of your income every month. I like this book also because some people don't like to read the books that are just like, this is what you should do, this is what you should do, it's more of a story. And based on the story, you can get the lesson. And then it's written very short chapters. It's a very short book. It's a very small book. I think 200 pages, thereabout. Yeah. It'll talk about debt, your debt-free journey, investments, what to look out for. This book, highly recommend. If you don't read any other book, soma to you. And you'll be well on your way to your financial freedom journey. The next book is a very popular book, Rich Dad, Poor Dad. Now, Rich Dad is a bit of a bigger book than The Richest Man in Babylon, but I like this book because of the mindset shift that it taught me and the money principles. Things about income, things about expenses, what is an asset, what is a liability, passive income. This book taught me all about that. And not only do I like the book, I also like the game, the cash flow quadrant game. We should make a link and just play together. Once you read the book, you'll be able to understand what the game means. But very soon, I will host a gaming day and we'll have a Rich Dad cash flow quadrant game to play. So look out for that day. But otherwise, I do recommend this book. It's a very simple story guide as well. Teaches you a bit more about income, expenses, your assets, your liabilities, and it's very practical. Some of the lessons and some of the ways he teaches in this book are not available in Kenya, but we can always find alternatives. But it's a good book in terms of mindset shift, okay? And then another book I will recommend, I don't have the physical copy. It's called The Secrets of the Millionaire Mind by Harv. I will try to insert a picture somewhere here. Okay, I love that book because it starts with the basic principles, your mindset, how your habits have been influencing your money and how your money has been influenced by your childhood. Like what patterns are you repeating? For example, I learned that whenever I get money and I go to the supermarket to buy food, or just to shop, whenever I have money, I always go for the most sugary items, spicy snacks too, and then I'd ask myself, why don't I just choose like something healthy? And then I read The Secrets of the Millionaire Mind, and one of the first lessons was you have the habits of your parents. So based on how you interact with money, there's a way you saw from your parents. So based on that, I was able to learn the reason why I reach out to the snacks or certain kind of food stuff is because that's what I see. That's what I saw growing up. Monkey see, monkey do, basically. So with that lesson, I am able to teach myself and recreate the habits and patterns I needed, for success. All right, those are just 3 books that I recommend. Make sure you write yours down below in the comments. I'd love to read them. Okay, thank you so much for watching this episode. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.